Have the time of one's life to have a good time. Head and shoulders above to be far superior. Heart in one's mouth, feeling nervous or scared. Heart of gold, a generous heart. Health Robinson, very complicated system or machine for doing a simple task. Hit the hay to go to bed, hither and thither, in various directions, especially in a disorganized way. Hold all the aces, be in a very strong or favorable position. Hole and corner, secretive and possibly dishonest superiors. Hunky-dory, there are no problems and people are happy. Hustle and bustle, busy and excited activity. I beat in the same source, footnotes and bibliographies. In a body, in a group. In a letter, as a group all together. In no time, very soon. In one's absence, while someone is not present. In poor taste, no suitable or appropriate, especially because it is likely to offend or upset people. In the bag, assured of a successful outcome. In the prime of life, in the best period of life, in tune with the times, in accordance with modern or current ideas or standard. It beats me to not understand. It never rains but it pours. When something bad happens, other bad things usually happen at the same time. Itchy feet, a strong desire to travel or move from place to place. It's brass monkey, very cold weather. Jack of all trades, someone who is able to do many things but is not expert in any. Generous-faced, two-faced or deceitful. Jump the line to skip to the head of a equi without waiting for one's turn. Keep one's eyes peeled to watch carefully. Keep someone on their toes. Keep someone alert and ready to react or perform well. Keep tabs on to keep track of. Kick the can down the road to avoid dealing with a problem. Kill the goose that lays the golden egg to destroy something that makes a lot of money. Knit one's brows, furrow one's brows typically in thought or concern. Knock on wood, knuckle tapping on wood in order to avoid some bad luck. Knock someone over, astonish or overwhelm someone. Learn from the school of hard knocks, learning things through difficult experience. Left to one's own devices, allow someone to do what they want or are able to do without being controlled or helped. Let someone off the hook, let off from blame or trouble. Life and soul, someone who is the main source of inspiration or enthusiasm in a group or gathering. Life in the raw, life in its natural unembellished state. Light years away, to be very far. Like a cat on hot bricks, to be anxious. Lily white, very white, poor or unsweet. Look like a dog's dinner in a messy or disorganized state. Look to one's laurels, work hard to remain successful. Loose cannon, someone who is unpredictable and can cause damage if not kept in check. Loose talk, uninhabited in discreet talk or conversation. Close the plot, act in a disorganized manner. Lunch low, law of the mob. Make a clean sweep within a large margin. Matters of the head and heart, concerns related to both intellectual and emotional aspects. Mellow out, to relax or become less intense. Money to burn, money in great abundance. Mop down, to clean something. Muddy the waters, to make a situation more confusing or harder to understand. Mum's the word, to keep quiet and say nothing. Muster in force, gather in large numbers. Narrow-minded, not willing to accept the ideas of others. Necessity is the mother of invention. Difficult situation inspire ingenious solution. Never put off until tomorrow what you can do today. Do not delay a task if you can do it immediately. New York minute, a very short time. Next to nothing, hardly anything. No pain, no gain. It is necessary to work hard in order to succeed. Not have a ghost of a chance. Not having a slightest chance. Not keep one's word. To fail to do what one has promised. Not playing with the full deck. To be mentally impaired or unstable. Not to know someone from Adam. Unable to recognize. Not worth one's salt. Not deserving of the pay or position one received. Old head, an outdated person. On hand, deeply available. On one's high horse, acting superior and arrogant. On the bench, to be a judge, proceeding in court. To be temporarily not involved in a process. On the blink, not functioning properly, out of order. On the dot, at the exact time specified. On the fly, he decides quickly without any seriousness. On the hook, to be responsible for something. On the same wavelength, to think alike and understand completely. On the thought, one after another, without pause.